Hi guys, who are we, you asked? This is your sensei from Leaf Village, Kakashi. My comrade is L, aka Yuzaki. We are two undergraduate lads. We casually present what we are learning every now and then. We talk robotics, mathematics, physics, programming, graphics, and whatnot. Anyways, this time we will deep dive into industrial robotics, and this is an introductory video to let you guys know about the structure of what we are going to include in this series. We are going to begin with controlling a virtual robot by using ABB Robot Studio to get a grasp of what we will be learning about. We will play around with the software a bit, and then we will get into robot parameters, kinematics, homogeneous transformations, dynamics, trajectory plannings, and all those juicy stuffs. There will be a spin-off videos or series in between the main series about the physics and the mathematics that are backing these concepts. It is going to be fun and practical, so don't worry, strap in and join us on the saga. The next video will be on installation of Robot Studio. So here's a bonk for you to stay productive until our next meet.